Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to fix destination mismatch problem in Google Ads. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Fixing a destination mismatch in Google Ads involves ensuring that the URL in your ad matches the final landing page URL. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you resolve this issue. First of all, identify the issue. Log into your Google Ads account, navigate to the Ads and Extensions tab, then look for ads with a destination mismatch status or notification. Review the Google Ads policies. Familiarize yourself with the destination requirements policy to understand what constitutes a mismatch. Verify landing page content. Ensure that the content of the landing page matches the ad's destination URL. The landing page should provide relevant and accurate information related to the ad. Check if the destination URL redirects to a different page. Ensure that any redirects are functional and lead to a relevant leading page. Update destination URLs. Edit the ad to ensure that the final URL matches the landing page URL. Avoid using URL shorteners or redirects that might cause a mismatch. Fix destination mismatch on mobile devices. Ensure that the mobile URL matches the desktop URL if you have separate URLs for mobile and desktop users. Review at campaign settings. Ensure that your campaign settings are correctly configured and do not cause any discrepancies in the destination URL. Monitor and test ads. After making the necessary changes, monitor your ads to ensure they are running correctly. Use the ad preview and diagnosis tool to test your ads and verify that the destination URL is working as expected. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.